Go for a walk up to the city, going shopping. Let's go there. Oh, Westfields. Here is look one. I have a Forever New trench jacket on with my Gucci belt. I love using the belt to cinch in a jacket. And I've got my Chanel sneakers, Chanel bag and sunnies, and the hoodie I'm wearing is from Zara. There he is. Okay, this is heaven. Mummy's heaven. We've got them all. What's that? Did you just hit your little face?
No.
Look, Valentino. This could be the next one next on the list. And then I have some new ones coming of these. Daddy's actually shopping. Thank you. Happy girl. I've got that just bought very expensive shoes glow. Nothing sexier than a man carrying all the shopping bags, especially when it's got Louis Vuitton there.
Excuse me.
Okay, so I have my first Louis Vuitton purchase. Yes. Okay. This is the first time I've opened it up. Oh, it looks beautiful. So you get your receipt. Ready? So,
The holiness.
this must be, oh, there's some extra laces. I wanted to get some shoes that I could wear all the time. I've got my Chanel white ones here and I wear them all the time, but I wanted to get a new pair that I could also wear. So here they are. Yeah.
In the comments, like if you liked my trumpet sound.
So here we are. There they are.
There's a mum's Louis Vuitton first purchase.
Yes, so these are beautiful. They also have an instep in them that give you 5 centimeters extra of height, which is awesome. I was actually sort of eye to my husband when I put these on, but I just love them. It's got just a small amount of the Louis Vuitton on there, and then the logo here, but I just love them. Yay! It was really exciting buying these. Here are my new babies. I just love them so much. They're really comfortable. They've got the extra 5 centimeter lift, so they're like wearing little heels. Really comfy, just looks so nice. Because I wear black jeans all the time, I needed a black pair. So I'm really happy with these, and you'll see them a lot. Here is look 2. I have my new Louis Vuitton sneakers on with my Good American jeans. I've got my YSL belt cinching in my tweed jacket from Forever New, and my linen black shirt is from Suzanne's. I've got my Chanel classic flap and Chanel sunglasses. What a view. And here we are again. If you see up where the palm trees are, that's where the restaurant is that we go to for lunch. This little wharf that we're on was moving, so like surfing safari. This is such a beautiful spot. You have to definitely come down and check it out. Look 3 is a leather jacket from Decjuba. The pink shirt is from Sabo Skirt, Good American jeans, and my Chanel classic flap. The quilted heels are from Whitner. They definitely give me the Chanel vibes. We are off out to dinner to Mexico to go and have some delicious margaritas. I feel like Lisa Vanderpump with my pink and my big hair. It's winter here in Australia and it was really cold. And look how handsome my hubby looks. I just love it when he gets dressed up. It's rare that I get him in a jacket, but he looks gorgeous and the kids look so cute. And we are at the front of the restaurant that we're going to for dinner. Mexico. Delicious Mexican food. Look out for our upcoming travel vlog. This look, I have my Chanel sneakers, Good American jeans, my Zara wool jacket, Chanel classic flap, and a Gucci scarf. Also my Chanel sunnies, a YSL belt, and another Zara shirt underneath. The wool jacket just keeps you so warm. It's really lovely. And there's beautiful Chanel. I have a Forever New trench coat and linen white shirt. I've got my Gucci bloom belt cinching in the waist. I just love those windows. They remind me of Dior. So beautiful. This is in the hotel that we're staying at. My YSL bag, black Good American jeans, and my new Louis Vuitton sneakers. I'm certainly going to get my cost per wear out of those shoes. So I've also got some new babies. I got this from the My Teresa sale that's on at the moment. Definitely check it out. They've got massive discounts, so it's definitely worth having a look. I wish I could have just bought everything in sight, but I had had my eyes on these for a while. I liked the colorway, so here we go. Pretty, the raspberry pink and light pink, but she's so pretty, and they're the perfect heel for me. I am not a super high heel girl. I'm quite tall anyway, so I can get away with it, but these are beautiful. And I didn't get the patent leather this time either. I've got the little low light pink patent leather ones, and they're not the most comfortable. I'm hoping that these will actually be more comfortable and break in easier than the patent leather. Even though this could get damaged more than the patent leather, I think comfort for me is more important. So yes, and there she is. Here is a beautiful jacket from Forever New. It's hand sewn with gold buttons. And my beautiful rock stud raspberry pink shoes, Decjuba jeans, YSL belt and a Zara top. And my YSL bag. Oh, I love those shoes so much. This jacket's really lovely and warm. And my Chanel sunnies. Here we are in our hotel room at the Radisson Blu. I've got my Chanel sneakers, Good American jeans, Decjuba denim jacket with my Gucci scarf, Chanel sunnies, YSL belt and my Chanel classic flap. And also a beautiful Zara knit hoodie, which I love with the sparkly little tassels. Casual chic. I wore this on a lunch date with my husband. It's a Forever New trench coat, cinched in waist with my Gucci belt, my Dior shoes, Chanel bag, Good American jeans, and a Zara top. I also added my Chanel brooch, which always looks so pretty, and my Chanel sunnies. I love this look. It's a Zara jacket and top, Good American jeans, Dior shoes, Chanel classic flap, Gucci belt, Chanel brooch and sunglasses. Such a classic look. I can't do this with you. With the kids I can do it seriously.
No, I don't know. I'm just filming. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be filming or...
Here is a classic blazer from Decjuba, and I'm also wearing their jeans. Some cute little duckies came to say hello. There's my beautiful babies again. The raspberry rocksteads from Valentino. I've got a Zara shirt on, YSL bag, and Chanel sunnies. Here we have the Decjuba jeans again, YSL belt, Zara knit, Gucci Bloom bag and my Louis Vuitton sneakers. And here's the last look. This awesome puffer jacket is from Kmart. I love the collar. It just pops up and keeps you so nice and warm. It was a great price and I just love it. I've got my Louis Vuitton sneakers, Decjuba jeans, YSL belt, Gucci Bloom bag and the same Zara knit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will have all the links down below, and thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.